Real people with real voices telling very real stories.
Brought to you by Gettin Ready for Life.
I defy anybody in the adult category to look at the young people we've spoken to and not see an amazing array of young adults about to take the world by storm, regardless of how this year
It
plays
just
out.
makes me realize that we all took school for granted.
I was so excited. I remember I packed everything in my bag and I was like, I'm out of here. I'm not coming back. I'm gone. And then third weekend, I'm having meltdowns. I want to go back to school.
There were a lot of opportunities to give a speech, being able to show your own pride in what you've managed to accomplish in school.
I think that what keeps me motivated is the fact that my friends keep me accountable.
At home, I feel like there's a lot of distractions.
Look, I miss all my students because I miss seeing their faces every day, but
I thought the workload would be easier.
Leadership in Year 12 was something I've been looking forward to since I entered the school.
I feel like there's less motivation to do work.
But my mum motivates me to do my best and continue.
I'm so behind, so bombarded with homework.
If there's any kind of need to feel guilty about the fact that you feel really pissed off about it, or you
the best way to vent it all has been just with the boys at school, mostly just talking to each other about it.
It kind of creates this sense of kind of expectation, and then suddenly this freaky thing happens where all that's taken away. A big part of that is kind of taken away, and that sudden experience shifts and changes.
If you keep pushing and keep moving forward now, it'll eventually get better, and there's a light at the end of the tunnel.
Real people with real voices telling very real stories.
Brought to you by Gettin Ready for Life.